Many people study English for years. They know words, they know rules, but still they cannot speak confidently. Why? Because the problem is not English itself. The problem is how they use it. Today, let us fix 5 very common mistakes that stop people from speaking English fluently and confidently. Hello everyone and welcome back to Riaz Academy. Mistake number 1 is waiting to be perfect. This is the biggest mistake. People think I will speak when my grammar is perfect. But perfection never comes first. Practice comes first. Children speak wrong sentences, but they keep speaking and they improve. Fluent speakers are not perfect speakers. They are brave speakers. Mistake number 2 is thinking in your native language before speaking. Many people first think in their native language and then translate into English. This slows the mind and creates fear. Instead, think in simple English. Not big sentences, small ones, simple thoughts, simple words. This habit changes everything. Mistake number 3 is fear of making mistakes. People are afraid of embarrassment. They think, what will others think? But remember this truth. People forget your mistakes. You remember your silence. Every mistake you make is a step forward. Silence keeps you stuck. Mistake number 4 is learning but not speaking. Many people watch videos, read books, and listen to lectures, but they do not speak. English is not learned by watching. It is learned by using. Even talking to yourself helps. Even 1 minute a day helps. Action matters more than knowledge. Mistake number 5 is comparing yourself with others. Some people speak better. Some people speak faster. So what? Everyone's journey is different. Everyone's pace is different. Comparison kills confidence. Progress builds it. Focus on your own improvement, not others. Finally, remember this. You do not need confidence to start speaking. You get confidence by speaking. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Speak daily. And one day you will realize you are speaking better than you imagined. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Because here we believe practice builds courage and confidence, and consistency creates destiny.